Did you know that the best penalty taker in the world have never missed even a single penalty? Here are the top 5 best penalty takers in football history. 5. Robert Lewandowski. With a conversion rate of 89.7%. Robert Lewandowski is a proven penalty taker. He has scored 87 penalties and missed 10. 4. Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes has a conversion rate of 90.5%, having scored 57 penalties and missed 6. Before we proceed to the rest, double tap your screen and click your follow button. Also comment who is the GOAT, Ronaldo or Messi. The comment with the most reactions solves the debate. 3. João Pedro. With a conversion rate of 93.3%. João Pedro is a clinical finisher from the spot. He has scored 14 penalties and missed only 1 penalty. 2. Ivan Toney. With a conversion rate of 94.7%. Ivan Toney is considered one of the best penalty takers in the world. He has scored 36 penalties and missed only 2. 1. Cole Palmer. Cole Palmer boasts a perfect conversion rate of 100%, having scored 17 penalties without missing any.